Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome to West Coast Finest Hair Channel. Yes, today I am going to be doing some passion twists. Yes, I am going to show you the fastest, easiest way to install crochet passion twists. Yes, I'm going to show you the best braid pattern for a right side part or a left side part, and it's going to include the easiest way to install in less than an hour. Yes. This style is very versatile, easy for beginners to understand, and very simple. Yes, so I'm going to break it down. I'm starting her braid pattern. She wants a right side part. So I did a part on the side, and as you can see, I braided 3 braids going down on each side, and in the back I did side to side as horizontal. Here are the passion twists. Yes, I always begin by spraying my passion twist or whatever crochets I'm doing with some Got to Be glue spray. Why do I do that? Because it helps hold the pattern. Yes, whatever pattern is in the crochets that I'm about to do, I wanted to hold this pattern for as long as possible and to make sure that it looks the same way that once I install it, it looks the same way that it does when I took it out the pack. So yes, I am beginning to install the crochets by using the latch hook, and of course I put the latch hook not all the way through the braid but through the top of the braid, if that makes sense. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to start in the back installing, and I'm going to go from the back to the front, and then I'm going to finish off with closing off the middle. So again, this is going to be a very short but easy tutorial for beginners. So continue to keep watching and see how I create this beautiful crochet style. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very simple process. I've crocheted the 3 bottom braids and I'm on the very top one, and then I'm going to work my way around to the sides. But that's all I'm doing is just basically crocheting and filling in all the gaps to make sure that it's nice and full. When you braid from side to side like this, it's much easier to braid or to fill in than if you braid it in a circle or going straight back. For me and for beginners, I believe that this is the most easiest way. Braid these braids side to side or from ear to ear or horizontal, whichever way you would like to say it, and then just crochet those crochets right on top of those braids, and it should fill in nice and full. Look how this is filling in. You are not able to see any gaps, any parts, or any spaces in between, and it fills in really well. Now this pack of passion twists, actually it's a lot, and it came with 8 packs. So yes, this is 8 packs right here that it came with, and we've already used 3. So we just used 3 and we have 5 left, and look how full this already is. So that means I have 5 packs to use to fill in the front of her hair. This is beautiful. Look at this ombre color. Again, this crochet style is very fast and easy. I am talking about 1 hour for the installation of the crochets itself, and then maybe about another 20 minutes for the braid pattern. But for an hour and 20 minutes, you will be completely done with this style, and it will be nice and full. This is beautiful. If you're looking for a style that has longevity, that's very easy to install and as well easy to take down, this is the perfect style for you. These passion twists are very durable. They don't shed. They don't get tangled. I mean, I've tried these myself in my hair and I love them. These passion twists are the bomb. So again, if you're interested in a style that will last you a long time, that's very low maintenance, and this is in so many different colors. This is a 1B27 ombre. As you can see, the 27 is more at the ends. However, it is a mixture in the top part of the crochet. But they have them in regular off black. They have them in different ombre colors. So yes, continue to keep watching as I continue to fill in, and you'll see how this part comes out. Yes, continue to keep watching to see how I fill in the part so that the part looks nice and natural. Yes, that's what we're going for. We want it to look as natural looking as possible. So keep Alrighty, as you can see, we are just about done. Yes, this style is coming to an end. So you definitely want to watch it to the end so that you can see the completed results. Yes, I am filling in the very front on this last braid and we are done. This style is very easy, very simple. Again, like I say, it is a beginner's tutorial so that you will know exactly how to install your crochet passion twist, and this is the fastest, most easiest way. This is the best braid pattern, especially if you want either a left side or a right side or a middle part. So yes, to make the braid pattern for a right side part or a left side part, you do the same exact thing, just part it on the opposite side, or if you want that middle part, just part it down the middle and do those 3 braids going down. So yes, here it is. Look at that hairline. Oh my goodness, look how natural that looks. Yes, these passion twists are beautiful. The color is very bright, vibrant, vibrant, and it is super cute. I love it. So again, this is 14 inches. It's an ombre. Look at the top of that. I love it. It is nice and full. There's no gaps or anything in between. You can see that it looks so natural. It looks like her natural hair. In the front, you can see a few of the parts, but that makes it look more natural. Then it doesn't look like a wig or it doesn't look like a weave because you can see those parts. Look how beautiful this came out. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give me a thumbs up.
Oh, I like that. Yes, yes. 300K. And until next time, let's like it. Yes, I sure do.
Super cute. I love that color. Yeah, come right here. Uh-oh.
Oh, I love it. Yeah. Heck yeah.
That color is super cute too.
I love it. I love this.
Love it, love it.
Love it. I love it.
Another hookup.